Hey YouTube, it's my birthday today, on the 13th, hopefully when this uploads. Check out what I got. Skylander's Trap Team, Funny Bone, Shroom Boom, and Chopper. I'm gonna be unboxing this. Oh, already got that off. Ooh. Look at them. There's Funny Bone, shroom boom, Chopper. Whoa. This is awesome. Get out the cards. Here is Funny Bone. Sorry if you can't see. Funny Bone. Might be like backwards or something deal, I think. But I'm gonna go over all the cards in my next video. Here I'm just like doing a little quick unboxing. And then playing Minecraft. Got Shroom Boom. He's a sure shot. Right there. And we got one of my best friends, Mr. Gorilla. He stares at you. He was just sitting here, doing whatever he does. And here's one of my faves, Chopper. But you probably can't see that right, but I'm going to check out first. Chopper. Shroom Boom. Funny Bone. Now on, I don't know when, but trying to make an average video schedule. And I don't know when I'm going to put these guys into action, but check this out. Funny Bone. It's hilarious. Get it? Funny Bone. Hilarious. I'ma eat a pizza. That's probably what he sounds like. Not sure. And then here's Shroom Boom. He's like, hey, I'm going through that computer. Or iPhone, or iPad, or Android, whatever you're watching that on. I'm going through it. Yeah. Just kidding. Then there's Chopper. Ooh, that is bad. Bad. He looks so cute. He's all rawr. I like ham and mashed potatoes. He should be a member of Dinosaur Office. Like, Dinosaur Office. Roar! No, it's all Dinosaur Office. Roar! Hey man, how you doing? I'm doing fine. How about you? Great! Yeah! And that's it, and I'll be doing more unboxing with Rumble Rouser and Doomstone that I got. And Trap Team, I will unbox that too. So, see you guys later. And don't forget to watch my newest video. It is the Snowy Tramp Challenge. It was hard and cold. So just check that video out. It should be just right under this one. And this was one of my first Skylander unboxing. And since it's my first, I gotta do the happy dance. that is their happy dance. And see you guys next time on Cool Bean Bros 5. See you guys. Hee hee. I am gonna launch into this, and I swear. Whoa, guys. Guys, I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing. Do you guys know what he's doing? He's going crazy.